It's going to turn milder this week. The winds are going to strengthen, move in from the southwest, bringing rain at times, and again, a lot of cloud. Now we start the week with the milder air just sitting into the west, but we've still got this residue of cold air for the eastern side of the UK, and that's where we've got the lowest temperatures today. For example, 4 degrees in Aberdeen this afternoon. Some sunshine for the northwest of Scotland, cloudy in the east. A lot of cloud for northern England, and again it's cold, 4 degrees Newcastle and Leeds this afternoon. And there's a bit of drizzle in the air right the way down the eastern side of England into East Anglia and the southeast of England, where again we've got some low temperatures. Further west we're into the milder air, remember, and temperatures here will be nearer 8 or 9 degrees. The cloud a little bit thinner, and then maybe a little bit of sunshine coming through in the southwest of England, say the north coast of Devon. Around Ceredigion and Gwynedd some sunshine as well. The rest of Wales pretty cloudy, and quite cloudy too in Northern Ireland. 8 degrees here, but feeling colder as the winds begin to pick up a little. Now this evening and overnight we're going to sneak a band of rain in from the west. It's a weather front that will produce a narrow band of rain, some of it quite heavy, and it just arrives by the end of the night into the cold air that's sitting in eastern parts of England and much of Scotland. So temperatures here close to freezing, milder out to the west. We're going to find the weather situation looking like this on Monday. This low pressure is going to intensify the rain later in the southwest. We start with this very weak weather front. That's going to cause possibly a few problems on the M8 tomorrow in time of the rush hour, with a bit of snow in Scotland and over the Pennines, a couple of centimetres maybe. It does fizzle out through the day. It does turn a bit wetter for a while in Northern Ireland, and then it also gets wetter in Wales and the southwest of England later in the day, where it turns a little bit milder but still cold at 3 to 4 degrees across the eastern side of England and Scotland. It all dries out a bit then overnight. The low pulls away, the weather front moves away and weakens, and then we push more weather fronts in from off the Atlantic as well. These will arrive in the west during the morning, and then it'll be late in the day before we see the rain in the east. Temperatures slowly creeping up to 7 to maybe even 10 degrees, but the winds will be picking up as well. You can see lots of isobars on the chart from Tuesday into Wednesday. Couple of weather fronts. This first one more active, that's going to bring the heavier rain. This one not quite so active, but all the while we're drawing in that milder air on those strong southwesterly winds and lifting temperatures and melting the snow in Scotland as well. First band of heavy rain, and then it turns a bit drier. Next band of rain comes in heaviest across western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and temperatures get into double figures. That eases away, those weather fronts move away. The next set off the Atlantic, driven on by strong winds again, will bring rain mainly to Scotland, Northern Ireland, maybe Cumbria, and it's here we've got the strongest of the winds. Elsewhere across England and Wales, it's mild still, 12, 13 degrees. It's also cloudy, but it's also mainly dry. Now Friday, towards the end of the week, still some rain in Scotland and Northern Ireland, easing its way into England and Wales where it's still windy, and then temperatures start to leak away a bit towards the end of Friday in Scotland and Northern Ireland, but right the way through Friday it's very mild in England and Wales, 10 to 13 degrees. It's an upward trend in terms of the temperatures both day and night. Very little frost actually over the week ahead. Temperatures start off around 6 degrees Monday, Tuesday, lifting through Wednesday, ending up at around 12 or 13.